Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show Zoom windows during screen share on the Zoom website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and then you should tap on the My Account button in the upper right corner. Go to the left side column and tap on Settings. Go to the top and tap on Meeting. Then you should scroll down to the In Meeting Basic section. And here you can see this Show Zoom windows during screen share. So tap on it, and as you can see, this feature has been turned on. However, if you want to disable it, just come back to this section, to the In Meeting Basic section, and tap on the same button to turn it off. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.